Phoned. Amy Morrow, marketing director for Friends of the Festival, says they made this decision because of the weight of uncertainty bearing down from coronavirus. The rescheduled date and additional details will be released very soon. If you've purchased tickets, they will be honored on the future date. CHI Memorials, the latest hospital to announce a stricter visitation policy. That change took effect today. Some of the changes you see on your screen there. Greeters will be screened at the designated entrances with a list of basic questions. During this time, visitors may want to consider alternative communication options such as phone, FaceTime, Skype, text, or email. They say they understand this policy change may be difficult for families, but they say it's imperative to keep patients and the community safe during this global pandemic. With schools closed, there were a lot of concerns about some children who rely on school meals for their nutrition. A program called FeedX in Walker County is making sure that those students get the food they need. Channel 3's Claudia Coco rode around with them today and has this story.
This bus is part of a fleet called FeedX. It's feeding kids all across Walker County who rely on school breakfast and lunch. Volunteers like Ridgeland head baseball coach Scott Harden are helping feed the 75% of children in Walker County that rely on school lunch. Today, Harden's bus was responsible for feeding over 100 children. He says that they like to have fun while handing out food, but they understand the importance of what they're doing.
I think the favorite part is just knowing that they're going to have nutrition every single day and that they're not at home worrying. We're able to fill their bellies, and like I said, that they're not going starving from the time that we're out of school, because that's probably the most important thing we do every single day is feed our kids.
Superintendent Damon Rain says it's amazing to see so many teachers and other faculty come out and volunteer to help hand out food for kids. He says that the kids will be getting all the same components of their school meals in these sack lunches, but it's also about knowing that they're all in this together. Rain says he hopes to be the bright spot in some of these kids' days. In Walker County, Claudia